DJI has officially entered a brand new era, and the buzz around its first-ever mirrorless camera is impossible to ignore. For years, DJI has defined innovation in drones and stabilization, completely changing how creators capture motion, action, and cinematic storytelling. From breathtaking aerial shots to ultra-smooth handheld footage, DJI has always pushed creative limits. Now, the company is stepping into one of the most competitive arenas in imaging, mirrorless cameras, a space long ruled by giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Naturally, expectations are sky-high. The big question is simple: can DJI bring the same level of innovation to traditional cameras that made it a leader in drones and gimbals? In this video on GadgetVerse, we take a deep dive into DJI's bold mirrorless debut, breaking down everything creators care about: design, ergonomics, sensor performance, autofocus, video capabilities, stabilization, and real-world usability. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what this camera truly offers and how it fits into a modern creator's workflow. Right out of the box, DJI's mirrorless camera feels surprisingly refined for a first-generation product. The magnesium alloy body strikes an impressive balance between durability and lightweight handling, making it ideal for long shooting sessions. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a solo content creator, the camera feels solid without being bulky. The grip is well-shaped and comfortable, offering confidence during handheld shooting, while the clean, functional design reflects DJI's signature aesthetic. The control layout is intuitive and creator-focused. Essential settings are easy to reach, allowing quick adjustments without digging through menus, a huge advantage during fast-paced shoots. This thoughtful design makes the camera feel familiar even to first-time users, which is impressive. Considering DJI is new to this category, autofocus is where DJI truly shows its technical strength. The AI-powered subject tracking performs exceptionally well in real-world scenarios. Whether you're filming fast-moving subjects, capturing sports, action, or shooting unpredictable moments, the autofocus locks on quickly and stays accurate. Eye, face, and object detection work smoothly, letting creators focus on storytelling instead of worrying about missed focus. Stabilization is where DJI's legacy really shines. Drawing from years of gimbal and motion expertise, the in-body image stabilization delivers up to 8 stops of correction. Handheld footage looks incredibly smooth, even while walking or panning. Motion feels natural and cinematic, not overly digital, giving creators polished results without the need for extra stabilization gear. At the heart of the camera is a newly developed full-frame sensor that delivers impressive image quality. Colors are rich, contrast is well-balanced, and dynamic range is strong, preserving detail in both highlights and shadows. DJI's refined color science produces pleasing skin tones and cinematic depth straight out of the camera. Low-light performance is equally impressive, maintaining clean results with controlled noise at higher ISO levels. Video performance firmly places this camera in true hybrid territory. It supports high-resolution recording up to 6K, along with professional-grade codecs that offer flexibility in post-production. Log and RAW options give filmmakers serious creative control, making the camera suitable for YouTube content, documentaries, commercial work, and cinematic projects. Rolling shutter is well controlled. Motion remains smooth even during fast camera movement. Usability and workflow are clearly top priorities. Fast USB-C charging supports extended shoots, while the battery system is optimized for long recording sessions. DJI's accessory ecosystem further enhances versatility with modular grips, filter solutions, EVF options, and seamless compatibility with Ronin gimbals. Everything feels purpose-built to integrate effortlessly into a professional creator setup. DJI's first mirrorless camera is not an experiment, it's a confident statement. With strong image quality, advanced autofocus, class-leading stabilization, and powerful video tools, DJI has delivered a camera designed for modern creators. What makes this launch especially exciting is how naturally it fits into DJI's broader, creative ecosystem. This debut places DJI alongside the most established names in the industry, and it's only the beginning. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse. Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more reviews, comparisons, and creator-focused content. Stay creative. We'll see you in the next one. High CTR, YouTube title options.